Trusty coffee here at AM PM before we go shooting. Gotta wake up, just drop off my kids, and look at my nice coffee right here from AM PM. $1.69. Kind of hard to beat. All right, that's enough. A little bit more sugar, man. I gotta wake up this morning. All right, so on the way to the range. This is the range that I always go to. Sometimes near, sometimes I drive further. Depends. It's not a bad range, man. It's, you know, it's in the desert. It's not too far from the freeway, and most of the time there's really nobody here. You know, probably on the weekends, but I come here on the weekdays, so there's nobody. Pretty nice area. We go ahead on to our spot. We got our trusted coffee and our Newport's 100 right there, and let's go shooting. I got a surprise for you guys. Voila! Those are 2-liter Cokes filled up with water, and I froze it. That's what we're gonna be shooting today. Frozen 2 liters. All right, let's see right here. One at 50 yards. I marked this down last time. It didn't rain or anything, so that's good. That, see how I had the circle right there? That's 50 yards from where we're gonna shoot. So I mean, I'm gonna try to put at least maybe 2 over here. All right, 2 50, well, right there. So that's 50 yards. And let's put some a little further, maybe right about here. You know, this is exactly probably not 50 yards, but I don't know. Let me see. Oh, maybe right here. Let's put one right here a little further, maybe about 55 yards right here. That looks like a good option right there. So down right there, and so that's at 50 yards. Okay, so that's at 50 yards right there. And then the other one's about, yeah, actually that's about 10 yards. So about 50 and 60 yards. Okay, and then we're gonna go on to the 100 yards. We got the 100 yard mark. And then let's grab 2 of these iced, frozen waters. And let's place them right here between the rocks, or on top of the rocks. Okay, because the last time I put water bottle over here. I mean 2 liter filled up with water, and 100 yards, the bullet was going so fast that it didn't even knock him down until the second shot. So that was interesting. That's at 100 yards right there. And then we're gonna shoot from all the way down there. All right, 100 yards to frozen, man. Okay, so far so good. Let's try it 100 yards. All right, guys, what can I say? They're too easy for NC Star. 2 bottles at 50 yards, 2 bottles frozen at 100 yards. No problem, no problem. I haven't had any reason to dislike the NC Star, you know. And the Anderson stock trigger, polished. So far so good. Let's check them out. Let's check out the targets.